Hello everyone, welcome to Maricel's Homestead Kitchen. I have here, we call this puso ng saging. So I'm gonna cook this like bula-bula. So I'm gonna chop this first. Starting now. Yeah. What I'm going to do is chop this. It's a lot of work, but it's very yummy.
So what is that you're chopping?
This is the flower of the banana. My favorite banana that we are cooking. Yeah. Instead, and I'm going to make is bula-bula. It's like meatball. Suppose instead of using meat, I'm going to use this.
You're going to use that instead of meat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And then you can.
And then I can what?
I can continue later after I chop this, and then put some.
Okay, so how do you end it? Just push this?
Yeah. Now here's my banana flour or puso ng saging, and then I have 2 eggs, garlic powder, onion, cornstarch, and black pepper, then salt. So I'm just going to mix this here. Put all, and then black pepper, and then cornstarch, and then egg, and then mix, salt, and then I'm just going to use my hand and then mix it. And after that, we're going to make like ball, and then fry it. Okay. Now I'm starting.
Give me the camera.
It. Look at my hand. I keep calling you.
So how do you make it go? Just this one?
It's starting already.
Oh, it started already. The oil might be a little bit hot, yeah?
A little bit hot.
I don't know. I'm not the head chef tonight.
I can't turn like that.
What's the noise it makes when you turn it like that?
Turn.
More chain.
Turn like that. Right?
Okay.
Change. You know what? Gina really buy this in store because she wants me to cook and have a video. You know that? She's thinking that I can make bula-bula.
Bula-bula.
Yeah. Bula-bula.
That was a song or something.
Bula-bula. Yeah. I just don't know that kind of song.
I don't either.
Okay. Done, chef.
You say so, boss lady.
And I want you to taste it.
You want me to taste it?
Yeah, taste it.
Taste it?
Yeah.
I will taste it.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. You know, it's my first time cooking this because
That's your first time cooking that?
yeah, because I always eat like this.
Mm.
My sister cook this always. I just always request.
Oh,
"Can
did
you
your
cook?"
sister give you the recipe?
Yeah, because she like cooking like this.
Mm.
She loves cooking also.
Like this, like that?
Yeah. Bola bola. Okay. You know the meatballs?
Yeah.
Seems like a meatballs,
Seems like a meatball.
but we use vegetables.
Mhm.
We use the flour.
I'll bet this is something that Lester and Chat would be interested in. Because they're eating the whole meat-free.
But they are not using oil.
They're not even using oil?
Yeah.
Mm. Well, maybe if it was vegetable oil, they would use it.
Anyway, I will eat what I want.
Mm.
I don't care if my figure will be. Anyway, I'm diet. Just for when until my.
How's that diet been going, love?
See, oh.
Huh? Mm. But it looks to me like you've been eating everything that you want to eat.
Yeah, but look, I'm diet. I'm. Look at my belly.
Yeah. So what haven't you been eating to lose your belly?
Pork.
You've been eating pork.
Yeah. Chicken.
You've been eating chicken.
Yeah.
I asked you what haven't you been eating? What did you stop eating?
Nothing.
Nothing. That's exactly my point. And exactly why I think, even though I love the look of your belly, I don't think it's gone away any.
Why?
Mm.
I still have belly.
Oh, no, love. No, sure, of course not.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure.
How about if I wear a swimsuit?
You would look wonderful.
Promise?
I promise.
But I know you will laugh.
I will not.
Promise?
Yeah, I promise.
Oh, here's my bola bola.
Mm.
It's done. Can you?
Can I what?
Try.
Well, it's kind of hot right now, isn't it?
No.
No.
Yeah, it's this one.
It just came out of the oil. Of course it's hot.
It's not anymore. This one.
Mm.
Oh.
Mm. Is it very hot?
No.
Actually, that tastes pretty much like a meatball. I'm surprised.
It's already cooked, love.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, amazing.
Ito. Okay, thanks everyone. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And there's your bola bola.
Bola bola. Bola bola. Okay.